So the golfers are a little different because they're standing and rotating, and so we do see disc injuries in golfers, and we do see a lot of hip injuries. That torquing is a tremendous amount of force, and the timing, everything goes with that. So we'll see a lot of back issues in golfers. And when you look at rotational areas, the hips have the most rotation, followed by the thoracic spine, followed by the lumbar spine. And so we'll look above and below. So if someone comes in a back injury, we're going to make sure that they have hip range of motion, thoracic range of motion, make sure their shoulders are functioning, their posture.
Yeah, the classic swing versus the modern swing, I think what we are going to find is, especially with the way the strength and conditioning programs are for a lot of these golfers that are a little younger. I mean, golf is a power sport. You're trying to develop as much power as you can to hit the ball as long as you can. I think that in combination of planting your feet onto the ground and then separating your hips as much as you can from your torso will lead to more compressive forces into your spine, and then over time, more back injuries.
Common golf that you're going to see is a lot of spine injuries, because the low back wasn't meant to swing a golf club the way that it's swung now. A good golfer over the course of a career that plays at a very high level may hit 1, 2, 3 million golf balls over the course of their career. That's an awful lot of stress that's placed on the body to do that.
Golfers can have problems with tendons or the cartilage in the wrist. There's a cartilage in your wrist that's like the cartilage in your knee, often called the meniscus in the knee, and wrist it's called the TFCC. And with a forceful swing, they can tear that cartilage, or often they'll have tendon problems at the wrist also. Golfers sometimes even fracture their hand when they hit the ground, hit a root, hit a really fat shot. They can fracture the long bones in the hand or some of the small bones in their hand also.